Welcome. If you're new, I'm Baeysia, and if you're back, hey beauty baes. Let's keep on watching for this perm rod tutorial.
Baeysia.
And I'm only going to be using two products, leave-in conditioner and some mousse. You see, I already washed my hair and I conditioned it. So these are the perm rods I will be using. Each of these have 12 and there are 5 packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 12 is 60 perm rods. So I'm not sure how many I'm going to need, but I feel like I have more than enough. I am pinning up the front, actually. I'm just doing front back. So I'm gonna section off the back. And this time I'm gonna actually try to use comb, just so I can try to get like even spaces for the perm rods. I'm trying to make it the same size as much as possible. I also chopped my hair off in November, and yeah, I actually gave myself like a bob cut, so that's why it's like shorter than what you probably remember. If you see my wash and go, you see that it's a lot shorter. All right, so leave-in conditioner, taking this much, applying the back. I'm gonna get my brush and comb it through. Number one, I feel like for the size, it can be like maybe 1, 2, it could be 4. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try 4. So this is gonna be 1, this is going to be 2, then 3, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do number 1. Alright, I'm just gonna wrap it around. I like to start at the ends and then just roll it on up. Do the same on all of my hair. So far I have 9 perm rods in my hair. Keep going. I'm gonna just spray again because it's getting a little dry. So this is going to be number 10. We use all 12. Now another pack, number 13. $14. 15. 16. I think this is 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. for the top half. Section. We stopped at 21. It's 29. 30. I believe this is 32. We're almost done. All right, here is 34. All right, 35. 36. And last but not least is 37. I'll be back when everything is dry. I am going to leave it in overnight. Yeah, so I'll come back with the results. Hey, we are back and it is dry. Had this in all overnight and I got under the dryer for an hour this morning. So this is one side mostly separated. And then I just wanted to compare to the other side. Be back. Okay, I'm just trying to style it. So I decided to go ahead and finger comb it just to make it a little bit more looser and bigger. And I also went inside of the roots because I kind of felt like the roots were getting tangled. Maybe it's from the mousse of sitting overnight that it got like, you know, set in their way. So I'm just going in the roots with my fingers since I don't have a pick. I don't like it, but it is what it is.
Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to this channel. My goal is to get to 5,000 subscribers this year, so catch you in the next video.